Okay, we're going from a different view this time. From my back.
Why do you have to talk when you video?
I don't know, because I like to hear myself. That too. Yeah, because I am way down here now. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Nice.
And ma'am. Yeah! Woo!
She's like,
Jonathan is right.
look how far they went.
There he is.
Holy crap, they're way over there. You should look how far they went now.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get a little bit of this.
She's almost to the top. Little bit of a butt. She reaches the red button.
Huh? Say what?
Liz?
Liz, you look good from this angle.
Is the rope twisted on itself?
Supposed to do this. Yeah. Oh, we could braid my hair.
Look at that. Maybe get rid of some of this drag.
I want to braid someone's hair under
up
that
there.
braid. Can I please do your hair?
Okay, while she's doing that, it's been requested to see how far they've drifted. Actually, I don't see where they are. There they are.
Holy crap, they're far! And over there behind them is a cliff where she jumped off. No, she's
Yeah, they're a little ways away. Oh.
You can French braid it. No.
Ready?
I thought. Scoot your boot. I mean, you could undo it. I could do it, then you could undo it, and then you could do it.
You gotta lean back.
Hey, is she making it?
Not slack.
Ding! She touches the red button.
What's it catching on?
My hair's clean. Your hair's out of my face. I don't have to worry about it for a while. I'm cold.
Oh, we'll get out and go away in the sun.
Is it on?
I don't
Think
know.
about that.
I think we should move the boat up there.
Yeah, that'd be nice, but we already got it tied up here. So.
I know.
You want a full French braid or just a braid starting right here?
I love one. And if you do want to put something there, I could do it. Whatever your favorite is this. Dude, I'm gonna braid your hair.
Look at the braidable, is it?
Oh, it's a little. I already Joseph's ones. Christian doesn't have any good videos. Bar.
And then we got a little bit of hair braiding going on here.
Whoa, cool.
Am I right in your way?
Is that fun
No,
to
you're
do
cool.
that, Liz?
Just checking out your braid.
Is it fun to
See,
braid?
she uses the English art of braiding. You can tell because
I've never been so sweaty.
Oh, that's weird.
it looks English.
It looks English.
No idea about braiding at all. Well,
It's not a fist